have entered the prep zone this afternoon. We're at the Pearl, where the Lady Rebels take on the Hammond High Magnet School Lady Tornadoes in a district matchup. Volleyball at its best at the Pearl. Pre-game with Coach Labradette. Coach, you and I go back a long way because you used to be my student in middle school. And now you're all grown up, married, and a coach. Now, this is not your first year, is it?
No, it's not. It's my second year as a head coach.
Tell me now, what have you learned from year 1 to year 2 that we can tell our folks at home you've learned something?
I feel I've really learned a lot. We went to LSU Tiger Volleyball Camp this summer, and I learned a lot of good drills and skills from the coaches there. And I just feel like I have a better knowledge of the game overall. Also managing the girls, it's getting easier and easier. So,
tell us about your team so far this year.
We really come a long way. We've worked hard this summer. We really had a good preseason before district. We've won more games already than we did last year, so the girls are gaining confidence, and we're just continuing to grow and progress.
Big district matchup though today, right? So it's important to win these, because I got to think you're already thinking playoffs.
I am. I'm hoping for a playoff spot, you know, but we just got to take it one game at a time and win one game at a time, and this is a big match for us today.
Well, folks, if you haven't already learned this, she knows the coach speak. One game at a time, but she's right. She learned well. Brooke Hines to serve it up to open this district matchup. First hit is a little dink by Nicole Quibido to get her team the first points. Hammond High Magnet School, the Lady Tornadoes out of Hammond. Head coach Amber Babin, a 1997 graduate of Hammond High. Double hit on that, 2-0. Or I should say the school formerly known as Hammond High, now known as Hammond High Magnet School. Served by Fambro Tiffany. Big hit, driven down by Christina Coutura. Gets the Lady Rebels a point. Becomes a very satisfying job to sit here and see my former student, Courtney Labradette, in action. Her second year. Service by Lozana. Jenna Lozana ties up the match at 2-2. Very satisfactory, you know, just really good to see her start to blossom as a coach. Big hit out of Amanda DeBoard puts Hammond up 3-2. Lady Tours and the Lady Rebels. Ashlyn Dykes will serve it up for Hammond. That one she knocked deep, and Bailey Phillips had a little problem trying to handle that one, a little bit over her head. 4-2 Hammond. Game 1, best 3 out of 5, a district matchup here at the Pearl. Dykes serve. Couture on a big hit. Dykes with a nice dig. And Hollyfield's dig got a little too close to the net. Good attempt. Ashlyn Dykes to serve again. Big hit out of Bailey Phillips. Nice block up front by DeBoard. Five to 4, the lead for Hammond. Brittany Dykes will serve it up. Brittany is a senior for Coach Bavin's squad. Good dig. That's a big hit from Corinne Kirkland to put her team up 6 to 4. Brittany will serve it up again. Lady Tornadoes. This one's got to go over. Double hit called on that one. 7-4, the Hammond lead. Game 1, best 3 out of 5 in a district matchup. The purple and white Hammond High Magnet Lady Tours. Good dig by Kirkland. Lozana keeps it alive. That one's in. And that one into the net by Kirkland. 7-5 Hammond over Pearl River. And Christina Coutura will serve. Double hit. Lady Rebels now within 1. They trail 7-6. And Coutura will serve again. And we're tied at 7. And Christina will serve again. That one's long. And the tie is broken with the Lady Tornadoes getting the point and the serve. And Amanda DeBoard will serve. That one's out. Back to even at 8. Bailey Phillips to serve for the Lady Rebels. Definitely playing out this point. At the net, big hit in Brooke Hines. Hines puts Pearl River up 9-8. Their first lead of the game. Phillips on the serve. Nice dig right there. Kirkland's hit. This one's got to go over. Didn't make it. We're back to tied at 9. St. Pierre checks in. Phillips checks out in the rotation for Coach Labradette. And Corinne Kirkland serves. Hollyfield gets it over. At the net, a little dink action by Ashlyn Dykes. Big hit, block. Nice block by Renee Jordan. And on the subsequent follow-up, she nets it. Good effort though, 10-9. Hammond. And Corinne Kirkland serving. Jordan. Nice dig by DeBoard. And a miscue there. We're tied up at 10. Game 1, best 3 out of 5. Renee Jordan serving. Got to go over. Ashlyn Dykes gets it over. Dykes again. Good rally, both teams here. Couture with a nice save at the net. Just get it over. Sometimes that's all it is, get it over. Big hit from Quibido, but she nets it. And a 1-point lead for the Lady Rebels, 11-10. Jordan on the serve. Good save over there by Brittany Dykes. Nice play at the net by Jenna Lozana. She just reached up and knocked that one down. 12-10 lead for Pearl River. Big hit from Quibido there. Nicole blasted that one down. Caught the tape, but still got the results she wanted, and that was points. A point, let's put it that way, and the serve. Emily Corcoran on the serve. And Emily will serve with the score tied at 12. Nice dig, but it's going to go out. Good effort, but that one went out. 13-12 as we hit 7. We hit it at 7-7, and since then it's been 1 or 2 points, and then up and down. Each team getting the lead, then getting it back. This one's got to go over. And that one by Ashlyn Dykes catches the net. 14-12. Brooke Hines to serve. Good save by Hollyfield. Couture in. 15-12. Christina with a nice knuckleball right there that bent in right at the end. Caught the tape, just inside the tape. Brooke Hines serving. 15-12, Pearl River. Game 1. Christina. Ooh. Big hit out of Christina. DeBoard with a good attempt at a dig, but Couture had too much mustard on that one. Hines, Brooke Hines to serve. Have a whistle in the net. Point to Pearl River. We have a timeout here in this one. Pearl River's built a 5-point lead late in game 1. They're up 17-12 over Hammond High Magnet School. Coming out of the timeout, Brooke Hines will serve. That was long. Ashlyn Dykes long on that hit. 18-12. The Pearl River lead. Hines serving again. That one's out, 18-13. Tiffany Fambro, the libero, checks in, and Tiffany will serve. Fambro is a junior for the Lady Tours. Hollyfield getting it up. Lozana gets it over. That one finds a spot in, nicely placed over there by Amanda DeBoard. That was what I commonly refer to as placage right there. She found an opening and put the ball right where the other players were not. And that is out. 19-14. Pearl River. Bailey Phillips checks in. Sierra St. Pierre checks out. And Jenna Lozana serves. Ooh-wee. Both teams unforced service errors. Ashlyn Dyke serves. Ashlyn gets a point for her team when it is not returned. Nice job by her. 3-point lead for Pearl River, game 1. Dyke's deep hit. Hollyfield, this one's set. And a little miscommunication. (20-16), Pearl River. Casey Johnson with the serve. That one's out. Another unforced service error. 20-17. Brittany Dykes to serve. Her team down by 3. Late, game 1. That one's going to be long. Kirkland, a little too much mustard on that one. 21-17, Pearl River. Christina Coutura to serve. Quick set. Big hit from Amanda DeBoard. DeBoard will rotate back and serve. Her team down by 3 now. Nice dig from Brittany Dykes. Out. Out. A little discussion about whether it was in or out. (22-18). Renee Jordan puts that one away at the net. 23-18. Phillips serving. Nice serve, good save by DeBoard. Good job for her to keep it alive. And Phillips powders that one into the net. 23-19. Corinne Kirkland, the senior. Nice serve. Gets her team within 3. They trail 23-20. We have a timeout late in game 1. Pearl River up 23-20 over at Hammond High Magnet School. Corinne Kirkland to serve. Her team down by 3 late in game 1 of this district matchup. Hollyfield This one set at the net, over, still alive. One got to go over. It does. We got a carry. Point goes to Hammond. Down 2 now, 23-21. And Corinne Kirkland will serve. Hollyfield, nice dig. Good save over there. Carry call. 24-21, 3-point lead. More importantly, it's game point for the Lady Rebels. Renee Jordan will serve it up. That one into the net. Game 1 at 25-21 goes to the Lady Rebels. Tiffany Fambro to start game 2. Unforced service error. Brooke Hines will serve. Lizana Katera gets it over. Corcoran opening that Katera could find a way to get it in. 2-0 Pearl River. And Brooke will serve it up again. Big hit. The board with a nice hit. That's a carry. 3-0. Nice dig by Fambro. Tiffany laid out for that one. Good job. That one came off of Kirkland's hands out of bounds. 5-0 game 2. Lady Rebels have pushed out early with Brooke Hines serving. Lozano with the set. That one nicely blocked by DeBoard. Amanda DeBoard with a nice block there. Gets her team the point. They trail 5-1, game 2. Ashlyn Dykes will serve. Have a whistle. In the net or underneath the line, one of the two. And Ashlyn will get to serve it again. Big hit from Corinne Kirkland. Gets her team within 2 points. They trail 5-3. Game 2. And Ashlyn Dykes serves it up again, her 3rd time. DeBoard. Casey Johnson gets her team a point in a 6-3 lead. Jenna Lozano, who is the main setter for Coach Labradette's team, Gets her team a point with that serve. But when she rotates to the back line, she's a server and not the setter. But you'll see her up front during the game, setting up on either side of the net, the outside hitters. Hines made a great effort, Hollyfield, and then some miscommunication. Hammond within 3. Brittany Dykes serving. 7-4 Pearl River over Hammond High Magnet School. The Lady Tours and the Lady Rebels. Big hit from Couture. Casey Johnson serving. Fambro with that dig for Hammond. Katera down the line, in. Nice kill right there from Christina Katera. 5-point lead for the Lady Rebels. Casey Johnson serving. Fambro, Ashlyn Dykes, and DeBoard. DeBoard with a nice block there of Jordan. Here's the set by Lozana. Katera, nice dig by Fambro. That one doesn't get over. (10-4), the Pearl River lead. So miscommunication there. 11-4. Casey Johnson serving it up for her 5th time. DeBoard. Hammond down by 6 now, and Amanda DeBoard will serve for the Lady Tornadoes. Back set by Lozano, nice. Into the net though. Amanda DeBoard to serve. Her team down by 5 in game 2. Katera, big hit. Wow, almost saved there. It's a dozen to a half a dozen. For all of you at home, 12-6. Christina Couture on the serve. Jordan nets that one, and a 5-point lead for Pearl River. Hammond serving. Corinne Kirkland. Jordan into the net with that one. And Hammond is within 4. They trail 12-8. Kirkland serves. Hines powders that one in the net, and we're going to have a timeout. I think, no. I thought we were going to have a timeout. 12-9, 3-point lead. Corinne Kirkland on the serve. (12-10). And now we have a timeout as Coach Labradette has seen Hammond creep back in this one and trail by 2. Pearl River's up 12-10, game 2. Corinne Kirkland to serve it up. Lady Tours have worked their way back and up in this one with 4 straight points. Nice dig by DeBoard. That momentarily stops the run. 3-point lead, and Bailey Phillips will serve. Quibido goes for the big hit and is long. Phillips again. Point to Hammond. They trail by 3. Emily Corcoran to serve. And that hit by Cotero was out at the net, and Quibido just pounced on that one. Corcoran again to serve. Jordan missed hit on that one, and the Lady Tours are within 1. So down 12-6. They've got it back to 1 point as they trail 14-13. Lozana with the, took a little off of that one and worked wonders. Jordan, instead of going for the big kill, just kept it alive by dinking it over. 2-point lead now for Pearl River. Renee Jordan will serve. Both teams just trying to keep it alive. This one's got to go over. Couture, good save. That one caught the tape and fell down. Casey Johnson's hit. Very fortuitous bounce for the Lady Rebels. A 3-point lead with Renee Jordan serving. Make it 4-point lead. She took a little something off of that. And Emily Corcoran could not get up in time to get that one. Ashlyn Dykes next that one. And we have a timeout by Coach Babin. Her team down by 5, 18-13 in game 2. Jordan on the serve. Quibido. That one cross court. That's in. 19-13, 6-point lead with Renee Jordan serving. Double hit. Point to the Lady Tours. They trail by 5, 19-14. Game 2. They lost game 1, 25-21. Tiffany Fambro will serve. Gutierrez worried about that. You can see it after it hit off her hand. She kind of shook her hand like, oops, I think I hit that one too, right up in the front. It just got knocked down. 19-15. Fambro. Casey Johnson with a nice play at the net, puts her team back up by 5 at 20-15. Brooke Hines to serve. Lozana with the set. Gutierrez block. Nice block by DeBoard. 20-16, Pearl Rivers lead. Ashlyn Dykes to serve for Hammond though. Pearl River regains the serve at 21-16. Phillips in, St. Pierre out. Lozana to serve. Quick set and big hit from Amanda DeBoard. Gets her team within 4. And Brittany Dykes, the senior, will serve it up. Block up front. (21-18). And Brittany will serve it up again. Good dig, Fambro. That one's got to go over. It does. Somebody in the net on that. 22-18, 4-point lead now for Pearl River. Casey Johnson serve. That's not gonna make it. 4 hits, 23-18. Casey Johnson to serve. Gutierrez with a big hit. No bringing that one back. She got the last one before that. Excuse me. She got the one before that blocked. She wasn't having any part of that this time. Johnson on the serve. Game point. Game in the second game. Big hit out of DeBoard. Staves off the game point. It's 1 game point staved off, but Amanda DeBoard will serve and it'll still be game point. Amanda to serve. Kirkland with a nice hit. Gets her team a point. And they're still alive. Trailed 24-20. Amanda DeBoard. Katera. And there's going to be a carry on that one. And that'll wrap up game 2 for the Lady Rebels. They win that one 25-20 after winning game 1 25-21. Game 3 underway with Brooke Hines serve. Brooke will serve it up again. A little bit more on that one. And good save there by the Lady Rebels. Ooh, that one. Big hit. We're tied at 1. Tiffany Fambro will serve. Ooh. Amanda DeBoard liked that one. Right in her wheelhouse. She just popped that one straight down. Fambro. Katera. Some nice acceleration, levitation, and spanking of the volleyball right there by young Christina Katera. Jenna Lozana. Good save. Got a double hit. That was not a block attempt. It was a hit that went into the net, and then she tried to play it out of the net. You can't do it. Not going to happen. And we're tied at 3. In game 3. Ashlyn Dykes serving for the Lady Tornadoes. Hines unable to control that one. 4-3, excuse me, 5-2. Make that 6-2. Ashlyn Dykes. Katera. Good save. Someone was in the net. Pearl River will get the serve. They'll rotate. Casey Johnson. (6-3) they trail. Game 3. That's in. 6-4. Casey Johnson serving. Nice block by Amanda DeBoard. Brittany Dykes will serve for Hammond. Good save there by Hammond. Gutierrez into the net that time. Eight, 4, and Brittany will serve. Nine, 4. As Gutierrez knocked that one right in the net. And Brittany will serve again. Brittany Dykes, a senior for Coach Babin's team. Gutierrez took a little bit off of that one, and Courtney Kirkland couldn't come up with it. Christina will now serve. Emily Corcoran had a hard time with that one. 3-point lead now for Hammond, game 3. Good rally here, both teams. That one's in. Renee Jordan at the net, drops that one in. And Christina will serve again. Nice hit right there. The board will go back and serve, and Quibido will come in. 10-7, 3-point lead for Hammond in game 3. Cross court hit by Kirkland. Gets her team a 4-point lead. Corinne Kirkland, a senior. Amanda DeBoard now, the junior, serving. Jordan, DeBoard, good save. Quibido keeps it alive. Jordan off the block. Quibido, good dig, Hollyfield. Jordan one more time. Real good rally, both teams just keeping it alive. Five-point lead for Hammond. DeBoard to serve. Six-point lead at 13-7. Jordan took a little bit out of that. Good save. Still alive. Both teams with Herculean efforts to keep it alive, and that hit by Kirkland is long. And Pearl River trails 13-8. Bailey Phillips will serve. Phillips to serve. (14-8) now, Hammond. Kirkland to serve. Nice hit from Renee Jordan. 14-9, Hammond over Pearl River in game 3. Renee Jordan serving. Good effort by DeBoard, but the point goes to Pearl River. And Renee will serve again. Down the line, nicely placed by Ashlyn Dykes. Puts her team up by 5 at 15-10. Corcoran on the serve. 16-10. Emily Corcoran. Casey Johnson finds an opening for a kill and gets her team within 5. Brooke Hines to serve. Katera into the net. (17-11) Hammond. Tiffany Fambro goes out. Five-point lead for the Lady Tornadoes. Game 3. Jenna Lozana to serve. Big hit right there from DeBoard. (18-12). Lady Tours found some momentum early in this game and pushed it out to 8-4. And they pushed it further out now at 18-12. Nice hit right there. Oh, it's called out. It's close. 18-13. The board a little long on that hit. Casey Johnson serving. Casey will serve again. Big hit up front by DeBoard. Good attempt by Pearl River. They couldn't get back over. 19-14. Brittany Dykes serving. Took a little something off of that, did Katera. got her team back in within 4 points. Christina Coutura serving. That one goes out. 20-15. Amanda DeBoard to serve. Jordan. Kirkland keeps it alive. Big hit out of Kirkland makes it 21-15. Timeout. Lady Rebels trail by 6 in game 3, 21-15. DeBoard to serve coming out of the timeout. 6-point lead for the Lady Tours late in game 3. That one's out. Phillips to serve. Haley Phillips. Quibido nets that one. And Phillips will serve again. Quibido cannot get it over on the third hit. And Bailey Phillips will serve it up. Hines nets that one. Kirkland on the serve. Good save by Hollyfield. Four hits. (22-19) Hammond, game 3. Renee Jordan to serve. That one's out. Timeout, Coach Babin. Her team up by 2 late in game 3. Jordan to serve, coming out of the timeout. Four hits that time as Johnson couldn't get it over. 23-20. Emily Corcoran to serve. Brooke Hines now serving. Double hit called. Game point. Fambro to serve. Game 3 goes to Hammond, 25-21. Fambro to serve it up. Game 4. Good save by Pearl River at the net. First point. Casey Johnson out battles DeBoard on a tricky play, and Brooke Hines will serve up. Pearl River, Brooke Hines serving. Number 30 in the net. DeBoard called for being in the net. Point to Pearl River, 4-0 with Brooke Hines serving. Hammond gets on the scoreboard here in game 4. As Katera unable to get that one over. Ashlyn Dykes will serve for the Lady Tornadoes. Hollyfield, Lozana, and Katera. Nice save by Dykes. DeBoard went for a little placage right there. Good play by her. Amanda seeing the opening instead of going for the kill. Went for the placage. Put it in the right place. Ashlyn Dykes serving. Katera into the net. Ashlyn will serve it up again. That one's out. Big hit from Casey Johnson. Makes it 5-3 Pearl River. Game 4. They won game 1 25-21 and game 2 25-20. Hammond turned the tide in game 3 25-21. DeBoard missed hits on that one. And a 6-3 lead for Pearl River. And Jenna Lozana, the setter, has rotated back. She's serving. Fambro. Nice effort at the save right there by the Lady Tornadoes. 7-3 Pearl River. Corinne Kirkland with the kill there. Found the open spot, just knocked it down. Brittany Dykes will serve. Katera with the left hand, good play. 8-4. Casey Johnson on the serve. Back set to board. She pushes it across. Good rally, both teams. Good left-handed save by Katera. Nice rally. Wow. Some miscommunication that just happened to work out. And after all that, Brittany Dykes inadvertently stepped over the line underneath. 9-4, Pearl River. Casey Johnson serving. Katera. Good dig, Fambro. Keep it alive. Back set for Phillips. Fambro, another good save. And DeBoard got caught in midair as that one kind of floated on her. 10-4, Pearl River. Kirkland with a big hit to get her team back within 5 points at 10-5. DeBoard will serve. Katera with a big hit. Lead back to 6, or up to 6, I should say, at 11-5 for Pearl River. And Katera, who just got that kill. Nice effort there, keeping it alive. Double hit, 12-5. After the timeout, Katera on the serve. Big hit from Quibido. Heinz knocks that one in the net. Kirkland. (14-8). Nice ace from Bailey Phillips. She'll serve it again. 15-8. Phillips on a little service run right here. (16-8). Phillips out. Corcoran with the serve and a point. Jordan. Renee Jordan with a nice hit. (17-10) lead. Good rally here, both teams staying with it. Still going, and that one goes out. Hines is long on that one. Hammond finishing that one off. That one's in the net. Hines on the serve. Four hits. 18-12, excuse me, 19-12 the lead. Timeout, Coach Babin. 8-point lead here in game 4 for the Lady Rebels. Hines to serve. Good attempt by Hammond, but that one out of bounds. 21-12. Brooke Hines. Ashlyn Dykes to serve. That one's out. So teams play trade unforced errors, service errors, and that'll put Jenna Lozana back to serve. Kotera. That one's spinning in the air. Kept alive by DeBoard. Kirkland gets her team a point. 22-14. Pearl River over Hammond in game 4. And Brittany Dykes will serve. Double hit call on that. 7-point lead. And Brittany will serve again. Nice attempt by Lozana, but that caught the tape on the net. 22-16. And Dykes will serve. Double hit. 23-16. Casey Johnson serving. Nice hit right there by Kirkland. Kirkland with a big kill. Gets her team within 6. And Amanda DeBoard will serve. Big hit from Renee Jordan. It's game and match point now in game 3. Pearl River won game 1, 25-21, game 2, 25-20, and Hammond won game 3, 25-21. This is game 4, game and match point. And that'll do it. Renee Jordan puts away Hammond High Magnet School at 25-17. Got to send our thank yous out to the people that brought you this game, starting with our superintendent, Mr. Trey Foltz, our director of broadcasting, Dr. Melody Swain. Cameraman, editor, and coordinator of Channel 13, Dave the Ray Williams. This is Charles Tiger Edwards. Good night, God bless, you be good. You're leaving the prep zone.